You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have Nike Air Force One lows. These are the Nike Air Force One Low Lotus flowers, courtesy of our good friends over at 1985 Gallery. Thank you for letting us get an early look at this Air Force One Low. This is Chapter 2 in the Gold Mountain pack. We previously reviewed the Gold Mountain Dunk High. Make sure you check out that episode as well. And this is Chapter 2 in Nike's way of telling the story about San Francisco's Chinatown. Right here you have a nylon tongue in pink with hits of gold for the Chinese characters and the gold swoosh. You have that classic Nike Air Force One tongue in nylon. Comes stock with the flat white laces, but they also threw in an extra pair of flat pink laces to go with the cascading pink swoosh. Taking us to the toe box, you have that classic leather toe box with the perforated holes, and then you have the classic overlays for the side panels right here on the mud guard. And then taking us to the swooshes on the side panel, you have that cascading pink swoosh from pink to white, similar to the box top lid that these shoes came in, and you have it on both sides of the shoe. Taking us to the back heel, under the swoosh, you have an embossed lotus flower. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have the Nike Air in pink, and you have the gold swoosh as well. And for the midsole, you have a cascading midsole similar to the swoosh. It goes from white in the front to pink in the back. Taking us to the bottom of the shoe, you have that classic Air Force One outsole in translucent icy blue. And that's the Air Force One Lotus Flowers, Chapter 2 in Nike's Gold Mountain pack. And this tells a different story opposed to Chapter 1. This is the lotus flower, and for those of you who might not know, a lotus flower is a flower that can even thrive in the harshest conditions. And this is to represent the Chinese immigrants that came here in 1840 that didn't have much, and they didn't find gold. And this is Nike's way of paying homage to one of the oldest Chinatowns in America, here in San Francisco. And it's a really good looking shoe. When I first saw pictures, I thought that the swooshes might be patent leather, which gave me the idea that they were kind of similar to the Air Force One Taiwans that released in the early 2000s, or even like the Hong Kongs to go along with that pack. But these right here have more story behind them. Like I said, it's Chapter 2 to show the resilience of the Chinese immigrants that moved here and made it their home. These are releasing on May 9th, the same day that the Dunk High Gold Mountains are releasing. And as far as sizing goes, I always go 9.5 in an Air Force One. I could get away with the size 9. There is a little room there in the 9.5, but if you don't want that, make sure you go a half size down. As far as comfort goes, this is a more comfortable Air Force One. The insole has a soft touch to it, different from regular Air Force One lows. And as far as style goes, like I mentioned, it's a great looking Air Force One. I love the cascading pink on the swoosh and the midsole. And how I would style these, I'd probably wear it with some blue jeans, and I'd probably wear some darker colors up top to offset the brightness of the pink. And again, these are releasing on May 9th at a price point of $150. Make sure you follow 1985 Gallery to go pick these up. But let us know how you guys feel about the Nike Air Force One Low Lotus Flowers. Do you like them? Would you do something different to them? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. But let's go ahead and try these on.
They like, oh no, it can't be. I manifested everything you visualize by having faith in what you can't see. Smoking on this candy. Bad bitch, brown skin, box braids, slanted eyes look like brandy. I'm focused on my branding. I need a space to crap. I alienated myself and crash landed. We ain't sipping brandy. We popping Kiko. In this game of life, it's safe to say I found the cheat code. Crack the safe, crack a smile on your face, crack a dial on my waist. These trying to crack the case, but they can't. They clueless, left without a trace. Ain't it evident? All of the evidence got erased. Understand me. Anytime you speaking on P, know that's my family. We go more than 10 years deep. Don't try to ram me. The plan was to let y'all have the streets, but y'all sleep. So I took the corner back like Jalen Ramsey.
And if you enjoyed this review, make sure you check out all our other reviews right here and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Do it. Just do it.